welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Let us begin with chapter number 17 of grammar, and chapter is comprehension. तो comprehension के बारे में बात करेंगे. What is comprehension? Comprehension is actually जहाँ पर हमें एक स्टोरी, एक पैराग्राफ या कुछ एक छोटा सा पार्ट में सीखना होता है कंटेंट का, और बाद में उसी कंटेंट से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, कुछ फिलअप्स होते हैं, जो कि हमें आंसर करने हैं, राइट? सो इट इज बेसिकली अ रीडिंग टास्क जो हमारी रीडिंग स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करता है. यस. तो नाउ दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन दिस, कि हमें एक पैराग्राफ यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, हम इसे पढ़ेंगे और नीचे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनके आंसर्स हमें दे, राइट? इट इज वेरी सिंपल. लेट अस बिगिन विद दिस. तो दे से रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज केयर. अब हमें एक पैसेज दिया हुआ है, इसे बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना है. तो one day Siddhartha went beyond the walls of the palace, his chariot, and saw some sights that changed his whole life. First, he saw a very old man who was not able to walk. Then he saw a very sick man and a dead man whose family was weeping. Siddhartha was very upset when his charioteer told him that everyone who was born in this world had to grow old and die one day. Then he saw a man dressed in simple clothes with his head shaven who looked calm and happy. His charioteer told him that he was an ascetic who had given up all the comforts of life and believed only in serving God. Siddhartha was worried by all the unhappiness he saw in the world. He started thinking deeply. It affected him so much that at the age of 29, he left home, leaving all the riches and comforts of the palace behind him. Set out, find the meaning of life, and wandered in the forest, leading an ascetic life. He went from place to place for 6 years in search of truth and knowledge. He meditated and tried to find the answers to all the questions going on in his mind. Eventually, at the age of 35, while sitting under a peepal tree in Bodh Gaya in Bihar, he attains enlightenment. From that day onwards, he became the enlightened one, or the Buddha. The tree under which he sat came to be known as the Bodhi. Right? This was the story. अब इसी स्टोरी के बेसिस पर हमें यहाँ पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे हुए हैं, राइट? जिसमें कि वो कह रहे हैं, whom did सिद्धार्थ see first? कि सिद्धार्थ ने सबसे पहले किसको देखा था, राइट? So first of all, we saw an old man who was not able to walk, right? So we are going to write the answer over here. Let's write. We saw an old man who could not walk, right? Next, whom did we see calm and happy? This is also the question that we read in the story, right? Moving ahead, we have some more questions. You can see कि इसी तरीके से हमें इन questions के जो answers हैं वो put up करते हैं, right? Next we have one more example और उसकी भी exercises हैं. So that is your homework that you are going to perform this exercise on your own and improve your reading skills. So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new from the chapter. So thank you so much and have a great